मी घेतो बघा. तुम्ही थोडं साईड लावा ना.
घ्या की घ्या फोटो. ते बॅग दे कोणाला दे. बॅग दे. ब्रदर बॅग घे ते.
ब्रदर बॅग घे रे. भूषण.
So first of all, a very good morning to respected principal, respected vice principal, my teachers, and my dearest friends. I, Abhishek Kumar, from BA 3rd, from Department of English, welcomes you all. Today, on the occasion of the birth anniversary of a very famous personality, the Thomas Stearns Eliot, we are gathered here for the inaugural of the Wall magazine by our department, that is the Excellence Issue Part 1. So, T.S. Eliot was a famous writer, a poet, an essayist, and a critic. We are familiar with him as we are studying his criticism theory in this semester. Now, at first, I would like to request the HOD of English department, Miss Nanda Sate ma'am, to felicitate the principal, respected Dr. Bua sir.
हो हात लावून त्याने पोरगी आहे.
So at first I would like to request the HOD of our department, Ms. Nanda Sate ma'am, to felicitate Dr. Bua.
इकडे
And Vice Principal Dr. Suhas Puja. And Vice Principal Dr. Suhas Puja. So this Wall magazine was made possible at a level best by the students of BA 3rd and with the valuable guidance of Mr. Halloli sir. So I request Chief Guest to cut the ribbon and inaugurate the magazine. Video cut.
वाइस प्रिन्सिपलच्या डिपार्टमेंटचं हे दिसतंय.
I would like to share this. This was a really innovative experience. This was a really innovative experience for me and my friends. In the beginning, nobody was ready to come and do it. But this collaborative activity, our teachers encouraged us and guided us. We really enjoy this activity. We come to know about the greatness of T.S. Eliot, about his contribution. Thus, it enhances our knowledge, our skills, as well as our friendship. And we are waiting for more such activities in future. So I request the HOD Nanda Sate ma'am to express few words.
Ask Halloli sir. He is your in charge, activity in charge.
Hello.
Respected principal, vice principal, HODs of different faculties and our faculty and all my colleagues and dear students. Actually, we enjoyed a lot while preparing this birth anniversary of T.S. Eliot's and excellence issue. And BA Part 3 and BA Part 2 students, all of them have supported too much and they have also gone through this one. And actually, T.S. Eliot's The Function of Criticism that work is specially included in our BA Part 3 criticism paper. And that's where we were got this kind of idea. Why not we celebrate? Why not we celebrate a kind of a commemorative days? He is Nobel laureate. He is worldwide recognized author, critic, poet, and so and so. So I thank all my dear students, all my teachers, and our HOD madam also. I took a wonderful opportunity to do this one. So thank once again, and thank you.
Thank you, sir. So now I would like to call Sulaksha Madiwal for the vote of thanks.
You asked the
हाँ, हुआ sir.
I will not go into formal speech or like that, but it's really a matter of pride to say, participate in the inauguration function of this, what you can say, wallpaper or wall magazine. Actually, I was trying to get in my past history. So when my teacher certificate used to tell me that you should participate in such activities and all these instructions, what you are getting, I remember the days. But mainly, it is a great pleasure to have the wallpaper of the Nobel Prize winner Eliot that I am reading on the wallpaper. So this is something great contribution by the students. I think my student was complaining about nobody was ready to participate in the polls, but that was counter-argued by Haloli sir. It is a matter of experience. Nobody will participate. Whatever the things happen, this is a matter of experience. So this is the tradition, what we have experienced from our teachers. And now, as Madam was saying, the battle is going to be handed over to the new generation like Haloli sir and all the students. So congratulations to all the students on this occasion. So keep the spirit and get more and more from your teachers. So I particularly thank you. Thank you for inviting me for this occasion. Thanks, special to particularly my teacher Satima and all my colleagues. Congratulations to all.
no, now the president has spoken.
So now I would like to call Sulaksha Madiwal for the vote of thanks.
1 minute, 1 second, just
Okay.
1 minute. No, I don't want to talk. But I would like to, formal vote of thanks will be extended by Sulaksha. But I want to extend special vote of thanks. Shall I say to my student or respected principal Goa sir? Because this is the last program which will be conducted in my tenure, isn't it? And we have been inviting, but this is the first program which is graced by him. I'm sure that he is busy. No, I can understand his busy schedule. But I'm really happy today that he made it a point to attend this program and grace this function. So special thanks, Goa sir. And I thank all of you for participating in this activity. Students, Aloy sir, my other colleagues, everybody. Mohkar sir is there, okay? So he also encouraged us, he always encourages us. He's our neighbor. Thank you all. Okay. Yes, Sulaksha.
Good morning to one and all. I am here, Sulaksha Madiwal, studying in BFRC Special. I am standing in front of for vote of thanks. Initially, I would like to say special thank you, Honorable Principal Dr. Kumar sir, for your presence and inaugurating of all actions of issue 1. Then I thank Vice Principal of Arts Faculty, Professor Dr. Pujari sir. Then I want to extend my warm thank you to our motivator supporter of HOD Dr. Satime, who is constantly guiding all sections. Then I would like to say thank you to Dr. Mukandra sir, Dr. Chitte sir, Dr. Jave ma'am, and Mr. Nana madam, and Ms. Shinde madam, and Halore sir, and even Sherge sir, and rest of all the teachers who are present here. Last but not the least, I also express thanks to all my classmates, friends, and participants because of you that function has become a great success. In this way, with the kind permission of chairperson, I would like to declare an inaugurate function of all exams issue 1 of year 2022 and 21 over here.
Just a cup of tea.
एक फोटो घेऊ फोटो एक फोटो सर एक फोटो घेऊ थोड़े लोग
इधर से भी मेरे को नहीं निकलना था
तू इथे जा बाहेर जाईल
नाही जात नाही बाहेर बाहेर येत नाही
येईल ना
मी काय म्हणते आधी परत आपण
मयूर मयूर थोडं मागं सांगून द्या. सर या की
या शॉट बघितला नाही या या.
आणखी चालूच आहे की
चालू